All right, guys, I need your opinion on something. I got a stack of radios here. We got a Grant, 78 Elite, 29 Classic, 29 Night Watch. This is a brand new Night Watch FM. I just took out of the box. 140 GTL and a 146 GTL. They're all my radios. I got this thing here, an RFX95HD that came in the mail, and basically, so there's one radio missing here, and that is my Uniden 980 SSB. So that's at Uniden getting a new screen. Unfortunately, I pleaded, and I tried to get a screen from them so I can replace it myself, but we all know how Uniden is. They kind of suck when it comes to that department, so I was forced to send it in, pay the $50 or whatever it was, flat rate, to have them put on a screen. But that's the only radio that's missing out of here. So what I wanted to do was basically make like a Connex killer or a export radio killer, depending on what you guys think. So yeah, I want to put this in one of these radios. To be honest, I don't want to ruin my Uniden Grant XL, but I'd be willing to do it. Because I hear mixed things about these, the trans radios with the splatter boxes. Other people swear by them, but that's something that I'm, willing to do and test after. We'll actually put the radio on the spectrum analyzer and, see how much of a splatter box these things turn radios into, or might not. You might just get a powerhouse here with nice clean radio. So. Yeah, your opinion, guys. I was thinking myself, I wanted to do the brand new Night Watch with the FM. I'm leaning more towards that. But if you guys wanted to do something along the sideband, and on the just not AM only, we can do a 146. We can do a 140. And we can do the Grant. I'm kind of hesitant on the Grant because this is a really nice radio, but I'd be willing to do it. I don't care. Let me know what you guys want to see done. What radio? I mean, that 78 Elite wouldn't be bad either. Yeah, so the only thing here that's not here is the 980 SSB. Should be back soon. I'd be willing to do something with that as well. Let me know what you guys want. So we got a 146, a 140, a 29 Night Watch with FM, 29 Classic, a PC 78 Elite, and a Uniden Grant XL. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, let me know, and we'll do a video on an install, and we'll also check out, see how it does on the spectrum analyzer. Thanks for watching, guys.